They say that if the person dies in deep sorrow, the soul happens to visit the place where it died and does not rest in peace.
This is Puneet, a passionate ghost investigator with a past experience of traveling across the country in search for any paranormal or supernatural activities. This is Abhishek, a professional ghost hunter, likes to travel, visit places, and is always in search of any paranormal activity.
We will try and investigate places all around the country.
The people narrate and have experienced any paranormal activity, and the place is considered as haunted.
This is our hobby and passion.
And in this crazy investigation, Ricky will join us.
I personally believe there are demons, evil, ghosts all over. But we never know, they could be either good or bad. So, whatever we will be doing will be at a cost of our life. So, I'm going to be a part of this investigation.
Let's face this. We're not sure what's going to happen, but there might be a possibility we could definitely face or experience something here. I have been listening to stories of ghosts, bhoot, chudel ever since I was small, and traveling places different around the world. But I'm just trying to hear and check if these things really exist here.
This is a place we would be investigating today. A place with a past history of intense paranormal activities and surrounded by different supernatural powers of ghosts, spirits, demons, and different other things experienced and encountered in past.
Both spirit, ghost, and these are some of the paranormal activities we have been listening to. But actually, there is no concrete evidence to verify these details.
We know each other from past 8 years now. Besides drinking, eating and hanging around with each other, we share a common special hobby amongst us. That is ghost hunting.
I personally don't believe in ghosts, spirits, demons. However, we should respect those who are not from this world. What we understand is this is not a joke, and they say that if anything goes wrong, you might be possessed or they would follow to your house if they exist.
So, we have reached here finally, and let's see what is going to happen inside.
Oh wait, there's somebody out there.
कहाँ पे?
Somebody.
Oh, भाई साहब, भाई साहब, एक सेकंड, प्लीज। हम यहाँ पे जा रहे थे, we just went out here and we just trying to see यहाँ पे कुछ है। हमने सुना है यहाँ पे कुछ अद्भुत चीजें होती हैं, जैसे कुछ
भूत, प्रेत,
चुड़ैल या जिन, ऐसा कुछ है।
कुछ आपने महसूस किया कभी यहाँ पे?
मेरे दोस्त लोग, हम लोग आए थे एक बार साथ में, रात हो गया था तो हम लोग, हमारे दोस्त जा रहा था तो उसको कुछ तो उसका कोई तो पैर पकड़ा, फिर बाद में वो छुड़ाया, हम लोग भाग गए वहाँ से।
कहाँ से छुड़ाया?
ये
यहाँ पे ये रास्ता। So we are just trying to check this place, okay? This place is what we are just trying to check, okay? He said कोई यहाँ से जा रहा था और उन्होंने उसका पैर पकड़ा और छुड़ा के भागे. This is what we are trying to check in night, okay?
And now we'll investigate.
While we were entering inside the fort, we got a bit worried and a slight experience of the horrifying place.
No one really enters here in the night.
People do say that at this hour they experience something abnormal, supernatural. Now we have to see what's actually in there.
I think, friends, let's split from here. What do you say?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you go that side, I'll check out this side, okay?
Alright.
Okay.
See, there's staircase here. Let's go upstairs.
Yes, yes.
Let's go. It is so spooky. Look at these walls. You see, Punit? They're really
Yeah, these walls really look
built
old.
100 years ago. Look at this place here.
Let's check out what Punit is doing.
Gosh, sure.
Where is he?
Call him.
Wait, let me. Punit? Punit, where are you?
Downstairs.
Come up now then.
Did you find anything?
As of now, though, nothing, but this place is really horrifying here. Come on. It's scaring the shit out of me.
Did you find anything paranormal?
Nothing as such as of now. But I feel there is something out here. I really feel.
I'm coming upstairs. Oh, let's meet down. Let's meet down.
Alright, yeah, come
See you.
I'm meeting you down. Okay, bye.
मिला?
Nothing, yaar.
कुछ नहीं मिला?
कुछ नहीं. Oh, look at this.
What? Oh my God, these are graves. We are standing on graves, man.
Holy shit.
We are standing on graves.
What language is it?
It's English?
No, it's Portuguese.
English में लिखा है यार.
ठीक से पढ़े, it's Portuguese, यार.
It's Portuguese?
It's Portuguese, yeah.
Oh
Sure.
fuck. We are standing on graves, man.
Holy shit.
Holy shit. My God. Did you find anything there upstairs?
Not really, yeah, but
tried to find something there, but I didn't find anything. Okay?
it's really spooky, yeah. It's a really spooky place.
Shit. Let me just check out if something
Look
is
at
up.
this place.
Let me just check out if something is there here, okay? Okay, here, okay? My name is Puneet, and we are here with no intentions to hurt you or harm you, okay? If you're there, please show your existence or presence to the outer world. Kuch suna? Did you hear anything? Nothing? Let me ask the same question again, okay? We are here with the same intentions, not to harm and hurt you. Okay? If you're there, if you're present, please show some presence here.
Show your presence.
Show your presence, okay? Make some song, make some noise, make some sound.
I can hear something out there.
Show your presence.
I can
One
hear
thing,
something
one
out
thing.
there. I can hear something.
He heard something, okay? He heard, what did he hear? What did he hear? You heard something, right?
Weird.
Let's check it out there. Let's check it out there. Did you find something here?
Show your presence.
Show me your presence.
We're not going to harm you.
Something is there? Hello? Nothing. I didn't hear anything. Okay. Let's move from there. I didn't hear anything. Nothing is there. Okay.
Abhishek, did you feel that?
What?
There was a jerk, yeah.
Run from there. Run.
उधर देख.
So we didn't experience anything besides the feeling that Ricky had.
We are going to a city called Bhangar in Rajasthan.
Which is considered as India's most haunted place, where nobody dares to enter after sunset.